Technical documentation is more than just paperwork, it's the backbone of efficient operations. Managing these documents involves complexities like compliance, traceability, and collaboration, which are crucial for delivering accurate information to stakeholders. Key processes in technical documentation management include creating, updating, and organizing documents. These processes ensure that everyone from designers to customers has access to the right information at the right time. LogicalDOC centralizes document management, making it easier to handle technical documents. With features like version control and metadata, retrieving documents becomes a breeze, saving time and reducing errors. Integration with CAD software allows seamless management of drawings. LogicalDOC ensures that all revisions are tracked, providing a complete history and maintaining full traceability of changes. LogicalDOC supports collaborative editing and approval workflows, enhancing teamwork. Real-time access through a secure web interface allows users to consult documents from anywhere, ensuring efficiency and flexibility. Permission controls tailor document access, ensuring that only authorized personnel can view or edit specific files. This feature enhances security and ensures that sensitive information is protected. LogicalDOC improves efficiency by reducing administrative overhead and streamlining document workflows. This organized approach leads to faster, more reliable document delivery, enhancing customer satisfaction. By implementing LogicalDOC, various departments can optimize their technical documentation processes. Start your journey towards efficiency and satisfaction by exploring LogicalDOC today.